여기 마음씨 착한 간호사 캐롤라인이 있습니다.
Mr. Talcott's gone. No. Didn't we call? You said he...
Yeah, you don't want to have anything to do, can dump it out back.
캐롤라인은 환자들을 그저 돈으로 생각하는 병원 일에 실증을 느끼고 있었죠.
Okay. Take a look. I interview tomorrow. What about your job? I had enough of that place. It's supposed to be a business about kids. Couldn't care less. Wait, this is terrible in Paris. It's freaking swamps. The hours I need to start nursing school, and I get to help somebody. Carrie, this work you're doing, sure it's not changing you? 5 years old. What's wrong with change?
그렇게 캐롤라인은 외딴 곳에 있는 대저택의 도우미로 면접을 보러 가는데
Hello?
Now that right there is what love is. Old-fashioned devotion, like what you read about. You must be Caroline.
Sorry, the door was open, so I just...
Oh, no, it's a big house. Sorry. Talked on the phone. Docs figure a month, maybe. Pretty far gone.
I understand.
Violet, you have a visitor. May I present Miss Caroline Ellis, who works down at the hospice in New Orleans. This is Violet Devereaux.
I have a lovely home.
I'm sorry. It's just hard, the idea of living
I
here.
understand.
South, you know. Things women still curtsy.
So, can't talk at all?
Oh, stroke pretty much paralyzed. Ben, you have a visitor. Miss Caroline Ellis.
I'm serious. Try and suck you into the elderly way.
Less than an hour away. I'll be back all the time. Come here.
어쨌든 정식 직원이 된 캐롤라인은 근처 주유소에 들르죠.
Hello? I need to pay for some gas? Somebody back there? I'm sorry.
17 for the guy.
Keep the change.
이 집도 미신을 믿는 듯 하네요.
Hi, Ben. Remember me? I'm Caroline. I'll be taking care of you. There's not a lot of light in here for you, is there? So you're a fan?
그런데 그때
Ben, you're hurting me. Ouch.
There you are. Time for his remedies. 9 in the morning and 7 at night sometimes. Don't let that frighten you. To be bathed daily, his linens changed. Father with the housework. I'm the only one at...
So how long have you two lived here?
We came over from Savannah. We bought this house from a brother and a sister. They'd inherited it a long time ago. But they are. Martin and Grace. They fell on hard times.
그때 숨겨진 사진을 발견한 캐롤라인.
All right, come along now. There are more than 30 rooms in all. For the owner, they made a skeleton. This one is yours. I have mine.
Was there a mirror here once?
Child, when you get as worn out and we don't need any reminding. It's like this back in New Jersey.
Actually, it's the Garden State.
Up that. You religious at all?
Try to keep an open mind.
It's good. It's very good. Where are my trilliums? Do me a blessing, child.
캐롤라인은 주인 바이올렛의 심부름을 ha게 되는데 숨겨진 방을 발견한 캐롤라인.
What took you?
I'm sorry. There's a door in the attic.
It's never opened that. Shut ever since we moved in.
어딘가 이상한 집. 그때 사라져버린 할아버지. 아니 이게 뭔 상황이요?
What's he done?
He got out of the window. I thought you said he was dead.
What damnation took you so long?
할아버지는 캐롤라인에게 할 말이 있는 듯했고
So you're here 2 days, he already tried to kill himself.
He did fall.
You cannot be serious. From up there? He fell from up there?
Please don't tell me you're quitting. I have to start over again.
I found this in Ben's room.
And
There was...
what?
I don't know what I thought. You ever feel like asking you for help?
Have you seen Mr. Mark? I see the children.
Oh, now, Violet, you know you're the only woman in my life.
숨겨진 방문을 열어보는 캐롤라인.
Caroline?
캐롤라인은 한 LP판을 획득하죠.
Caroline?
다행히 들키지는 않았는데 아무튼 무사히 퇴근에 성공하고
Whatever it is not your average locked up ever since they first moved in. Found yourself a hoodoo room. A what? Hoodoo. You know what hoodoo is? Slaves brought to Haiti from Africa. God, heaven, hell.
캐롤라인은 그런 미신은 믿지 않았죠. 방에 놓인 거울을 보고 놀라는 바이올렛.
I told you about the mirrors.
I don't understand.
This is not your house.
Found them. I needed a mirror for my bathroom.
You heard me. No mirrors. No mirrors.
I've seen the room.
No, child, you don't know what you've seen.
You're gonna tell me right now, or I'm leaving.
결국 바이올렛은 캐롤라인에게
You won't understand.
과거 이야기를 들려주죠.
About 90 years ago, there was a banker here. His name was Thorpe. He made his fortune cheating the poor. He was a cruel man. Him and his family and a couple of servants of Mama Cecile and Papa Justifier. The way I heard it, old man Thorpe, no, Justifier was a two-headed. He was a conjure man, and so was Cecile. That was their room. Oh, they were famous, all for the sick, and they hurt the mean. But old Thorpe, he just saw him as hell. He worked him to the bone. He abused him until one night there was a party. It was the bank's anniversary. All locticians, sugar barons, riverboat, a lot of drinking and dancing. And then finally, it was time to say farewell. I just wanted to wish goodbye to the chip I could find. Hadn't seen him in hours. Finally, someone heard music and voices and shouting. Their servants were up there with the door trying to teach him how to conjure up. Thorpe went about insane, and so did the rest of the guests. The children said it was their fault that they had, but they weren't having any of it. The party was over. It was a terrible thing.
What happened to the family?
Bank went under, shot his wife to death, and the gun on himself. Children stayed here till 62. They never told us why that room was locked. Now we know. You see them in the mirrors. I've gone and read some hoodoo book and brick dust down.
Mrs. Devereaux.
Keep humble. Made a big
Mrs.
circle of
Devereaux.
it.
Like me to believe that you see ghosts in your mirrors.
The ghosts are here now.
바이올렛은 그저 미신에 심취한 할머니였네요.
Superstitious wife you got there, Ben. You see ghosts in the attic. Huh?
그런데 거울을 보자 발작하는 할아버지.
You see them too.
결국 캐롤라인은 용하다는 주술집에 가보는데
Use the portion that don't be afraid. Just use this portion that I mixed up.
That brick dust at the door?
Lay a line down. At it means you harm. How you tell who your enemies are.
I'm gonna show you something. It's gonna be. Violet says you didn't have us in the attic. She said, made you this way. Is that what you think?
할아버지를 상대로 테스트를 해보는 캐롤라인.
Cleanse this room. And wash away this condition. And wash away.
말을 하기 시작하는 할아버지.
Help you how, Ben?
What are you doing?
Ben.
1 second.
You in that attic. Who are you afraid of? Tell me who you're afraid of.
What have you done?
I brought water.
캐롤라인은 악몽에 시달리고
That attic is filled with this stuff. Recipes, spells, books of...
Stand your cause for concern. Like superstitious too. We're called Baptists. A nurse or detective?
I want to know why the last girl quit.
캐롤라인과 변호사는 예전 도우미를 만나러 오는데
Maybe their mess in that room. Ghosts put a spell on that. She did. Leave that house before you do.
캐롤라인의 주위 사람 모두가 그녀에게 도망치라 말하죠.
I'll show you. It's not just them.
전에 왔던 주유소에 들르는 캐롤라인.
See the bones hanging?
Hey, you sure this is a good idea?
Hello? We heard the music, your record. I was wondering...
No record for anyone here.
About records by a man named...
How do you know that name? Who else is in here? Someone else in here?
Oh, it's just me, man.
You know a record called The Conjure Sacrifice? I have it if you...
Strongest conjuration of all. He justified. Got killed before he learned to work.
What's it do?
You from dying. To sacrifice some. Take the years that they have left.
그렇게 캐롤라인은 주술에 대해 알게 되죠.
Get proof that she's out to hurt him, will you?
You mean kill him?
Will you or won't you?
Just listen.
Things wrong between them, you know it.
Let me make some calls. See about grounds for order protective custody. You're not gonna get a search warrant.
And that'll get me tonight.
Get the proof.
할머니가 할아버지를 제물로 바치려 한다고 확신하는 캐롤라인.
Mrs. Devereaux, could you come here for a second?
그리고 캐롤라인은 바이올렛을 시험해보려 하는데
Yeah, I was wondering if you could take a look at
The house. They're just rainwater.
Come on in, I could show it to you.
Actually, have supper on the stove. You want this for the sill?
All right. Come into the room, please, just for a second.
You're a funny one. I'll make us some tea.
역시나 수상한 바이올렛. 캐롤라인은 수면제를 준비하고
How's your gumbo?
I'm not that hungry.
Don't move. I'll fetch.
Respect for your husband. What did happen to him?
It's my husband, and I am his wife.
He's not safe in this house.
What? You've done so.
기절하는 바이올렛.
Keep him in this house.
Come on, Ben.
캐롤라인은 할아버지를 탈출시키려는데 결국 차가 고장나버리고 총까지 꺼내든 바이올렛.
Caroline! You can take him out of this house. Think you're stronger than me? Where are you? You can't get away, Caroline! Stop right there!
캐롤라인은 겨우 배를 타고 도망치는데 성공하죠.
She tried killing me. She knows I know. Ben's in trouble.
Tell me what happened. Tried to kill you? We need to record this.
그런데 변호사의 집에서 재생되고 있는 주술음반. 역시나 변호사도 바이올렛과 한패였죠. 바이올렛의 진짜 재물은 할아버지가 아니라 캐롤라인이었고
Where is he, Caroline?
It's not him, it's me. You want to sacrifice? Why are you helping her?
Where is he?
He's in the garden.
일단 방 안으로 숨는 캐롤라인. 캐롤라인은 탈출에 성공하고 결국 다시 집 위로 올라가는 캐롤라인. 그렇게 캐롤라인은 다시 붙잡히는데 바이올렛을 추락시키는 캐롤라인.
My name's Caroline. I will buy you Chapelet in terrible impair. I'm in trouble.
캐롤라인은 119와 친구에게 연락을 남기고 다락방엔 재물의식이 준비되어 있었죠.
You can't touch me.
We've been waiting for you, Caroline. For you to believe. Doesn't work if you don't.
그런데 사실 이 모든 게 바이올렛의 계략이었고 바이올렛의 정체는 과거 흑인 주술사 부부의 부인이었죠.
Cecile, you alright?
Fine now, Justify.
결국 주술사에게 몸을 빼앗긴 캐롤라인.
There, Caroline. We thought it was just a fall. Now she can't move or even
Like a stroke or something.
dear me.
그렇게 캐롤라인은 할아버지와 똑같은 처지가 되며 영화는 완벽한 배드엔딩으로 끝이 납니다. 지금까지 영화 스켈리톤 키였습니다. 1986년 미국.
Jackson, we spoke on the phone.
Nice to meet you.
한 부녀가 영매사들을 집에 부르는데
We're gonna talk to your mom, and we're gonna get her back to heaven.
알고 보니 이들은 사기꾼들이었고
Did she have any nicknames?
Maddie. Everyone called her Maddie. She used to spend all her time down there.
리더 안젤라의 본격적인 연기가 시작되죠.
Maddie? Consider leaving this house.
Did you hear that?
녹음된 목소리가 제대로 먹혀들고
She's gone.
You could just pay Beth.
그런데 수상한 기운을 감지한 안젤라. 안젤라는 진짜 귀신을 보게 되죠.
You okay? You can stop. And their haunted land.
한편 이들은 사기 성공을 자축하는데
This is just your money on the side. Can't pass you on good intentions. For starters, show up. Angela.
그날 이후로 이상해진 안젤라의 상태.
Who are you?
Grandpa, you can't joke about that.
안젤라는 오랜만에 할아버지를 찾아오고
It's university.
It's good.
Would you tell my grandson he still owes a rich, quick scheme?
잭슨은 안젤라의 친오빠였는데
What was she like?
Your mother, a grandmad, was never here. Told anyone started those forsaken business. I don't know what happened after that.
안젤라의 엄마도 신내림을 받았었죠.
It was a nonsense. Looking herself away for voices and her nosebleeds. Talking about people.
What happened to your face?
Don't worry about it.
한편 다음 사기를 치러 향하는 이들.
This is it?
It's where they found the girls' bodies.
The sun left them all sitting in a circle.
Hello.
It's a great place.
Easier to manage when my husband was alive.
That was a tragedy. What were you here to help with?
I just want a quiet house.
이곳은 진짜 위험한 장소였는데
So, I was wondering if you might have some photos. Here's us all together. Herman, my son.
집주인의 아들 허먼이 수많은 소녀들을 살해한 살인마였죠.
Otherwise, we'll wind up here till Friday trying to make. Love it. All right, so babe, I'll give you the tabloids. Ange, your nose is bleeding.
Why are you creeping up on me? What was that?
안젤라는 계속 귀신의 기운을 느끼고
What are you doing?
소녀 귀신을 보고 기절하는 안젤라.
Can you hear me?
Maybe we should just.
I'm okay. Can I have some water, please?
You alright?
Yeah,
First, Angela's gonna do a sweep of the house.
Jackson, stop the showmanship.
집주인은 의심이 많은 성격이었는데
You saw something. I'll believe you if you tell me. I said I'd do this. I like my gadgets. He was doing off was pretty cool.
We're ready. All feeds are live.
Ready?
어쨌든 쇼가 시작되고
Claire, my name is Angela Sayers. To see if you consider leaving this house.
결국 돌발 행동을 하는 안젤라.
You really don't see her?
Can't see anything.
Can we stick to the plan, guys? Elliot, what's happening? Turn back.
추락하는 엘리엇.
Ange, what's going on?
The floorboards just gave way. He fell. Shit. We should go help them.
No.
Jackson, can you?
I'll go check.
Are you okay?
My ankle.
Al, you alive, man?
Yeah, I'm gonna need to go to hospital though.
The girls were kept down here.
이곳이 소녀들이 갇힌 장소였죠.
She wanted us to find it. I know this sounds nuts, but ever since our last gig, seeing things.
It's just a house. We're in a basement. Someone was doodling on the wall.
No coincidence that we ended up down here.
Nothing to worry about. We're gonna cleanse this house.
I'm afraid you have.
You have my word. No way.
Be quiet. All an act. I want you out of here.
결국 쇼는 실패하는데
Beth, pack up. Fuck out of here.
Ange, pick up.
Jackson?
Beth, we're leaving.
Beth?
응답이 없는 잭슨의 여자친구. 그때 잭슨도 귀신을 보게 되고
Jackson, get down here now.
Beth, meet us in the car. Come on. Ange, what are you doing?
잭슨의 여자친구의 핏자국이 발견되죠.
Beth, take Elliot. I made us to the car. I love you. I'm sorry.
서둘러 안젤라와 엘리엇을 탈출시키는 잭슨.
Beth? Beth.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
아이 깜짝이야. 베스를 무사히 데리고 나온 잭슨.
Jackson, what happened?
잭슨은 귀신이라 생각하고 그냥 지나가려는데 튕겨져 나간 베스. 베스는 즉사해버렸죠. 그때 누군가 나타나 잭슨을 제압하고 엘리엇도 공격당하죠.
Jackson? You need to wake up, okay? Where's Jackson?
He took him.
Elliot, who?
He took him.
오빠를 구하러 향하는 안젤라. 알고 보니 집주인은 사이코패스였고
Oh dear. What can you do? Apologize about your pretty little. You remind me of my girls.
집주인의 살인마 아들도 살아있었죠. 그때 안젤라도 위기에 처하고 결국 오빠 옆에 묶인 안젤라. 잭슨은 입이 꿰매진 상태였죠.
No, no. Jackson, no, no, no!
Hush now.
그때 엘리엇이 이곳에 도착하고
Leave her alone.
살인마를 제압하는 엘리엇.
Hey, man. Hey, come on.
그때 엘리엇이 반격을 당하는데
My boy.
Help him, please!
안젤라의 기도를 들어주는 소녀 귀신들. 그렇게 안젤라는 집주인을 처리하는 데 성공하죠. 그때 안젤라가 잭슨을 보게 되는데
Jackson?
You seen Beth?
알고 보니 이미 귀신이 되어버린 것이었죠. 그렇게 모든 사건이 마무리되고 엘리엇의 손을 잡아주는 안젤라. 지금까지 영화 침묵의 비명이었습니다. 미국 뉴욕 어딘가 짐을 싸고 있는 주인공 그레이스.
Jack, have you seen my phone?
Hello, Grace. This is Frank Caldwell. Just wanted to check in. I've been doing some more of that research out here and real interesting stuff. You won't be surprised by now.
그레이스는 평생 이름도 모르는 부모님의 행방을 찾고 있었는데
Was that Caldwell again? Seems eager to meet you. I think this guy can help you find your parents.
Yeah, I hope so. It's a real lead I've had in 10 years.
Hey, I just be disappointed if it's another dead end.
Well, that's why I am happy.
그레이스는 남친 잭과 함께 부모님을 찾았다는 남자 콜드웰을 만나러 향하죠.
No good, little lady. New York, huh?
That obvious?
I saw the plates.
Hey, dude, can I have a card swipe?
Cash only.
드디어 콜드웰의 집에 도착한 두 사람.
Mr. Caldwell, hello? Said if he wasn't around, we'll let ourselves in. Hello?
Furnished by Norman Bates. Looks like my mother's handbag.
Important to me. I could live here. I'm gonna go for a run.
그레이스는 복잡한 마음을 비우러 러닝을 하러 나가죠. 인기척을 느낀 잭.
Hello? Caldwell, hello?
그때 갑자기 뱀이 나타나고 그레이스는 발을 다치고 말죠.
Jack! Snake up there! Ow!
That should hold you over, but you need stitches.
Jack, we just got here.
Just get out of here.
A whole life to...
Alone? I'm gonna pretend I know what it's like to grow up in childhood. Wasn't easy. Maybe kind of tough at times.
Yeah, but you have one. I have to stay.
We're not gonna leave until we get some answers.
바로 태세 전환하는 잭. 그레이스는 가위에 눌리고
Grace?
잠겨버린 문.
Grace! What was that? Something's wrong, weird. Look, we need to leave right now.
잭은 당장이라도 이곳을 떠나야 한다 말하는데
I couldn't find your phone.
Dude, it's on the nightstand.
I looked where it was either.
사라져버린 핸드폰. 누군가 선 넘는 장난까지 치고
Stay back. Some good old boys trying to scare us. It's been weird ever since we got here. We're being kept.
사슴 가면이 다시 나타나죠. 그런데 이들은 한두 명이 아니었고
Some kind of a cult. I've never seen anything like this.
It works.
Hello? Done, guys. You don't mess around. Scared us good. Go back to whatever else.
뭔가 쎄함을 느끼는 그레이스.
Private property and you are trespass. And my dad's a litigator and he'll fuck you up in court.
그때 전화가 걸려오고 잭을 협박하는 의문의 인물.
Yeah, it rang and then it's dead. He's the cop.
Who the fuck are you?
Who the fuck are you?
Gage? Well, you kids are in the wrong. The fuck is Gage? Goddamn house.
This is Frank Caldwell's house.
Nobody calls him that.
Frank Gage invited us to find my parents.
Who are your parents?
It's a thing I don't know. I'm speaking with Frank to let ourselves in if he wasn't here.
Got bored and decided to skin that goddamn.
They did that.
Who's they? Decide you hiding something, boy? I'm gonna call the sheriff.
그렇게 갑자기 나타난 남자가 보안관을 부르러 향하는데
Shirley? Hello. Is that you, Brady? Wasn't trespassing right now, goddammit.
남자도 둘의 말을 믿게 되죠.
You said you tried to call the sheriff?
Yeah, line went dead.
Brother's got a 12-gauge shotgun up.
Who they are, don't you?
Well, you hear stories over crazy shit about cults.
Your brother's the one who lured us here.
My brother might be a dipstick, he's part of some goddamn cult. Find that goddamn gun.
그런데 그때
Don't.
죽어버린 동생을 보고 눈이 돌아버린 남자. 그런데 사슴 가면은 염력이라도 쓰듯 남자를 제압하고 결국 남자는 최후를 맞이하죠. 갑자기 홀려버린 그레이스.
Why are they not killing us?
I need that gun.
잭은 총을 찾으러 향하는데 멘탈이 나가버린 상태. 총알을 발견한 잭. 놈들은 죽은 남자를 태우며 의식을 치르죠.
What the hell do you want from me?
The world has been cruel to you, Grace.
How do you know my name?
You knew my name.
그때 총이 발견되고
There's shells upstairs.
갑자기 나타난 사슴 가면. 결국 잭은 위기에 처하는데 사슴 가면을 쏴버리는 그레이스.
This.
6 years of Catholic school. Sink its fangs into the earth. Tenna, the serpent.
이들은 뱀을 신으로 모시는 사이비 단체였고 다시 깨어나고만 사슴 가면. 그때 그레이스가 폭주해버리죠.
This ends now.
결국 놈들에게 끌려가는 그레이스. 잭은 일단 그레이스를 놈들로부터 피신시키죠.
Run ahead.
What?
Came here because they wanted you.
I can't.
You can do this. Go. Go.
자신을 희생해 그레이스를 살리려는 잭. 결국 위기에 처한 잭. 그레이스도 앞길을 막히는데 치명상을 입는 잭. 그레이스는 사방에 깔린 놈들을 피해 도망치죠. 창고를 발견한 그레이스. 잭이 이곳에 묶여 있었고 역시나 나타난 놈들. 그때 리더가 가면을 벗고
Welcome home, Grace. You're the first daughter of the Millennium Master.
알고 보니 그녀가 그레이스의 엄마였죠.
You are Julie, Grace,
악마의 계시를 받아 낳았던 아이가 바로 그레이스였네요. 계승의 피를 들이키는 그레이스. 그렇게 그레이스가 뱀 집단의 우두머리로 거듭나죠. 그런데 자신의 엄마를 제압하는 그레이스. 그레이스는 나머지 사슴 가면들도 제압하죠. 그런데 잭까지 살해해버리는 그레이스.
are the daughter of the first Millennium Master.
결국 그레이스도 악마의 존재가 되었음을 암시하며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 지금까지 영화 더 롱 나이트였습니다.